when you hire, I'm sure you also hire data professionals, right? So what are the top three skills that you actually, or traits? If I don't put skills, what are the top three traits that you look for?
Okay, let me start with skills. Then I'll talk about traits. So in any interview, it's always the skill that people look at first. Traits come next always. So skill wise, Python coding, right? Python coding is a must. And the first round, basically the very first round that I generally recommend anybody to take is basically, it's not just Python. I don't believe in asking them to write a Python code for any just sorting algorithm, write a Python sorting algorithm. I don't do that. So with the data set, ask them to do the things like slicing and dicing data, like grouping the data, rolling them up, those kind of things. So those are very basic skills. The second thing is you also need to know basic statistics, and you need to know proper basic statistics. So when I say basic statistics, it could be as simple as correlations, as simple as regression, correlation, feature engineering, those kind of things. So these are mandates. These are skills mandates. So once you have passed that, once you know all these things, the second part of it is learnability. So there are a few candidates who, I don't know, have a certain ego about themselves.
Rigid,
Maybe,
rigidness. Hmm.
yes, a rigidness and ego. I remember there was one candidate who I was asking a question, and the answer from him was that I don't know the answer. Maybe you are better than me. So that was a really funny answer, as in he took it on himself. It's not basically me judging him.
Hmm.
It's a very objective decision where I want someone who I can work with, and that person should be able to work. That's it, right? Not, humiliating him. So don't take it on yourself. I would say for all the aspiring data scientists in the like initial rounds of interviews, when you are like, when you think you are ready, but you are probably not. So don't take it on yourself. It's just that it needs work. And that's what, when it comes to traits, you need to be open-minded, you need to be ready to learn new things. So just give me a second.
Hmm.
Okay. So those are the two things. Skills are mandatory, and that attitude of being open for learning.
Perfect.